to start. Please come designers. Speech by 9th standard. Speech by Sindhuja.
A very warm and healthy morning to you all. I am Sindhuja Reddy of 9th standard. Now I am here to tell about speech on Galileo Galilei. Galileo was great Indian mathematician and astronomer on his 16th and 17th century. He was born on 15th February 1564 in Pisa. The first book of Galileo is The Little Balance. He was published in 1586. He had interest in physics and mathematics since his childhood. He spent some of his years as a professor in some universities. He discovered in 1609 the unexpected telescope. Based on his observation through his telescope, he discovered the Earth revolves around the sun. He made also hydrostatic balance. On 8th January 1642, he died in Grand Duchy Tuscany. Now I will ask the questions. I request 7th standard students to pay attention. In which year he discovered the telescope? Who knows the answer? Please come up onto the stage and tell the answer.
Anyone knows the answer?
Now I will give you the answer. The answer is 1609. My another question is, I request 8th standard students to pay attention. In what is the first book name of Galileo? Who knows the answer? Please come up onto the stage and tell the answer. Now I will reveal the answer. The Little Balance. Thank you for giving me this great opportunity. Have a nice day.
We have an activity by 9th standard boys. Listen carefully. She said the speech clearly, and in that speech 2 answers are there, but nobody is ready to tell answer because your listening skills are not up to the mark. You are not listening, you are not paying attention. So paying attention means not keeping your legs like this. Concentration. Okay, you have to listen carefully. That is called paying attention.
Good morning, all. My name is Kim Reddy. I am studying 9th standard in Yadiki school. Today, me and my friend from Yamai join with me 7 Katana for presenting. It's already famous. Join with me. Vikrant for presenting. Tell the name of famous person. Over to Ramana.
Thank you to Mr. Manjunath for presenting, introducing. Now I am here to tell about the famous person. He was born on 9th January 1992 in Raipur. He was an Indian American biochemist. He awarded Nobel Prize in Medicine. 24. He discovered how nucleotides in nucleic acids control the synthesis of protein. Thank you to Mr. Vikrant for presenting. Tell the name of famous.
Thank you to Mr. Venkatarama for presenting inside the famous person. Now I am here to tell the name of famous person. Can you guess who am I? Who knows the answer? Please come up onto the stage and tell the answer.
Anyone from any class?
Now I am released the answer. The answer is Hargovind Khorana. I repeat, Hargovind Khorana. Thank you for giving us this golden opportunity. Have a nice day. Science experiment by 9th standard girls. A very warm and healthy morning to you all. It's my pleasure to introduce myself. I'm Yadiki from 9th standard in Vision English Medium School. Here are my friends Madhavi and Kalpana. Today we are going to present an experiment how to conduct the electricity in potato. Materials required: 12 volts and 9 volts battery, metal wire, bulb, piece of potato. Already yesterday, class of 8th standard, they performed conduct the electricity in pure water, vinegar, salt water, etc. Now we are going to conduct the electricity in potato. So let us do. Procedure. Take a 9 volts or 12 volts battery and connect it with metal wire as negative terminal and positive terminal. Then positive terminal connected with bulb as a anode and negative terminal connected with bulb as a cathode. And take a piece of potato and insert the negative terminal and positive terminal. Now observe the bulb. What happened why the bulb glows? The potato does not produce electricity, instead it acts as an electrolyte or buffer. Hence it forces the electrons by separating zinc and copper and forms a complete circuit. Here we can see the bulb glows because potato is good conductor of electricity. Thank you for giving us this great opportunity. Have a nice day.
So good morning everyone. How are you? I'm good, thank you. My dear students, I gave you some time for giving your experiments list, right? So this is the last date. So by today, after completion of assembly, you can give your experiments list to your class teacher. I will collect list from your class teacher, and after that tomorrow, if any same experiment is there, we will intimate you. You can change that experiment. Okay. So and one more thing, I told you many times, discipline is very important in our life. As a student, as a human being, everyone should be disciplined. So some of the students, they became indisciplined, and after completion of school 4:20, 4:30 at that time, they are throwing the things in window, or their ventilator is there. They are throwing some things to ventilator there. So why, I don't know. What is the use if you do like that? Do you get anything from that? Do you get anything? Nothing, right? So it's an indisciplined thing. So already I told you yesterday, in 7th A standard I have seen that scene. So water bottles, sticks and some other products, simply they are throwing there. You can throw your water bottle outside the gate. Will you throw? Why? Again you have to buy, right? So same thing will happen to other person also, right? So you should not do like that. That is very, very indisciplined thing. If you are able to help to anyone, you can help, but don't ruin their things. So it's a bad quality also, not only indisciplined thing, bad quality. So don't do like that. Are you all disciplined or indisciplined students? Disciplined students. So you never repeat that one. If you repeat that one, so some of the celebrities I can easily identify who can do that type of things. Then I will give special treatment for them. Okay? Do you want that special treatment? No need, right? So you don't do like that. You are all good children, I know about you. Okay? Today, is there anybody celebrating their birthdays here? Okay, today Hema Satya for 10th standard, she is going to celebrate her birthday. Come here. So, wish her first, then after we. So, here Lahari and Meharoon, they are best friends to Hema Satya. They are going to wish her. Wish your friend, ma. So, they are 10th standard students. Again, next year we don't see them here. So that's why their best friends are there. They will tell something about Hemasatya now. Speak something about your friend. You won't get chance next year here.
Good morning, all of you. First of all, happy birthday to you, Hemsatya. I will miss you next year very so much. I will remember this day next year. But I feel sad next year. You are not with me.
Can join in same college.
Sir, but aim is different, sir.
Okay. First goal is important. After reaching your goal, you can meet anytime. Good. Next you, Bahari. Say something, a memorable incident with your best friend.
Good morning to all. Myself, Lahari, studying 10th standard.
Any memorable incident or anything you want to speak, you can speak about your friend.
Memorable incident means we are daily fighting. If we talk 2 days means we will don't talk 2 days, next 2 days. We are fighting and again we are best friends.
Those fightings will be memorable after few years. Now maybe it looks like fighting, so it's also memory. Good. Hemasatya, you say something about your memorable incidents in our school.
My memorable instance with these persons only, sir.
Okay, tell.
On Sankranti events, sir.
Sankranti event this year.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you enjoyed a lot.
Yes, sir. With both of them, I enjoyed a lot, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Once again, many more happy returns of the day. May God bless you. Today's picture note by respected Suza ma'am.
Good morning, children. How are you? How much fine? Can you show me? No? But I can say this much and this much. Okay, na? I'm also very good children. Today, our science fair experiments are going on every day. So I cannot tell you a long story. Just a simple in few sentences, okay na? A story about a little boy's self-confidence. That is the theme of the story. But there was a little boy, and in his village there was a drought. What do you know what is the meaning of drought? Telugu? Karuvu. Okay, I landed Telugu word today. In that drought, it means less rain, is it? And no rain at all. So all of them look into the sky every day. Is there any cloud pieces appearing? No. But there was a small boy. I don't know his name, but that boy every day thought, if all the rainwater is going towards the river and it's going somewhere else, no. So God don't like that. We cannot use that water properly. So he did not send clouds to us. That was his belief. And he asked every old people there to dig a pond near the valley. But nobody accepted that. What a foolishness you are talking, boy. If pond is there, will clouds appear? Will it downpour? They asked him. He told, of course, Tataya, it will come. But they don't believe him. Then he asked our neighboring persons to help him to dig a small pond. Nobody come forward. Humorously they are. They humiliated him also, some members. In his sadness, he himself started digging.
When his neighbor saw that, he thought, oh, small boy, how much he can. So he helped me. Again, another person, like that. So many members gathered and they built it in a week. When they started all members together, there appear small cloud pieces on the sky. Then they strongly believe that, oh, it will rain soon after. Just completing his pond, they got a heavy downpour. If a small boy's self-confidence can bring a heavy downpour, heavy rain to the earth, it is possible us to do something magic. Is it or not? You have to maintain self-confidence first. Okay, na? Then next, Kotisar asked you to keep what? Discipline. Self-confidence and discipline take you somewhere. Okay, children? So, have a nice day. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your valuable work.